advice I like to give people is one, do some research on different styles and programs in your area because there's many different styles, many different philosophies and concepts. And what I suggest is you actually go to the physical location, talk to the people, talk to the teachers, maybe even check out a class. At the very least, watch a class, but I highly suggest that you take an intro class as well, because you don't know if the system or the concepts work for you unless you actually get your feet a little wet. After the class, what I suggest is talk to the instructor and answer any and all questions you may have, because you may find out that the philosophy that they have doesn't suit who you are. Their teaching style isn't conducive for your learning style, or just the atmosphere doesn't seem right for you. There are many different types of martial arts. Like if you really want to look at just hands, odds are you should just go to boxing. If you want to look at strictly ground defense, like pure ground defense, you should look at wrestling and judo, jiu-jitsu, right? So it really depends on what you're looking for, dictates what style you should look at and what schools you should go for.